Hi guys. Good morning. Today we're gonna do a bike check. Yo, welcome back to another video. We're back here in the meadows. We're actually in JPT right now, but we're back with the boys. We're with TP Cycling, Team RWR. We're doing another city ride around Meadows, JLT, and the Palm. And today as well, we're gonna do a bike check. We're gonna do a bike check of Jim's bike, also known as Chairman. So we're gonna check out his bike. Saan tayo ngayon, Coach? Palm? Palm Jumeirah. May sunog. May sunog dyan, oh. No, oh no, oh no. Oh no! Oh shit. Oh shit. I hope everyone's okay. This is in Dubai Marina. Magandang umaga, pre.
Magandang umaga na naman.
Ikaw nga, pre.
Magandang umaga na naman.
Ayun.
Magandang umaga sa iyo. Kailangan ko sa akin dito. Iwan ko doon mamaya.
Grabe. Sira yung bike niya.
Kailangan dito yung butang barat niya. Iwan ko ha.
Bike check natin yan, ha? Yes. Bike check natin yan. Kaso pangit yung bibi niya. Upgrade agad, no, Chairman?
Hindi tayong bago doon.
Palit bike. Hack to, hack. Pag low bat ka.
Naliligo kami doon sa Dubai pa.
Dito sa ano? Tropa mo na ano.
Babawal na technique.
Yan. Pag tamad kang mag-charge.
Hindi, mekaniko
ganyan.
ko.
Araw-araw ka sa bike shop, di ka nag-charge ng DI2 mo.
Parang hindi nangyari, puro discreet. Sipo ko yan. Paket. Sige, paket. Pinakastahan lang. Sipo pa yan.
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Buli ng bubuyog.
Ticket ng bubuyog.
Dito. Ayoso,
Naman na yuso ka. Mamaya mamagana yan.
Ang tamis.
Ano tamis ko? Sweet ka masyado. Ano nangyari? Good morning. Today we're gonna do a bike check. And this is JM's S-Works SL8. JM's S-Works SL8. Project Black Limited Edition in size 52. It runs a Dura-Ace Di2 12-speed group set. Wheels are Roval Rapide CLX2 Team Edition.
with GP5000AS tires and tubeless setup. He's running a Darimo handlebar and Darimo seatpost. Super lightweight, full carbon. Saddle is a 3D printed S-Works Romin. Crank setup is SRM Modular Powermeter with carbon tie 54/40th chainrings, and he's using look pedals with SRM cranks. These are the adjustable length ones. He's got the AbsoluteBlack Hollowcage titanium version, carbon tie rotors and AbsoluteBlack brake pads, lightweight bottle cages, and Overfast carbon thru axles to finish it off.
Nice one, bro. Nice ride.
Thank you.
Nice one, coach. Morning. Thank you. Salamat. Nice ride.
Nice ride.
Bro. Next time ulit. Ayos. Salamat sa pagpasyal sa amin.
Mafia.
Mafia tayo lahat. Good morning, pre. Anong nangyari?
Laglag na umaga na naman. Nalagnag na naman kami.